My name is Ivan Darul Cerezo de la Cruz from BSIT 3D, University of Eastern Pangasinan. Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. Mission, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and more responsible Europeans through innovation, industrial focused education, sustainable research, and value based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principled center culture, defining our values of makajos, marunong, and malinis. Core values, uprightness, excellence, and passion. Our networking one instructor last semester is Mr. Derek B. Bicedo. In our networking one subject, I learned the basics of computer network and their importance in connecting device, people, and even entire organization. I understand how networks makes communication and resources resource sharing possible and why they are considered the backbone of today's digital world. I become familiar with the different types of networks such as LAN, WAN, and WLAN, and I also learned about the rules of device like routers, switches, and hubs in making connections possible. This device may look simple, but I realize how crucial they are directing and managing data. We also studied IP addressing, sub- subnetting, and the OSI model. This topic helped me understand how data is identified, organized, and transferred across a network layer by layer. At first, this concept seemed difficult, but with practice, I was able to see how they work together to ensure proper communication between devices. One of the most exciting part was our introducing to Cisco Packet Tracer. Through this simulation tool, I was able to apply what I learned by designing simple network, configuring routers and switches, assign IP addresses, and testing connections using command like ping, packet tracer gave me a hands-on experience that concerned theory with practice and made networking easier to understand. Overall, networking one taught me more than just technical knowledge. It also developed my problem solving skills and logical thinking since networking often requires carefully planning and troubleshooting. I believe this lesson will serve as a strong foundation for future studies and more advanced networking concept. Thank you.